Welcome to my YouTube channel. So what I will be doing now, I'll be showing you how to play Ariaria. So you just listen to the groove I'm making use of, and I'll break it down after the groove. I'm adding a bass line to it. So for this lesson, I'll be making use of the F major scale, that is the key of F. So that is my scale. If you are playing on any other key apart from this key of F, just apply the numbers I've written here to that particular key. You can see the numbering I did here, and above is with the red ink is the sulfur notes I use there. So just apply to that your key. And also in this lesson, I'm going to show you the chord progression. I'll give you a lead line progression and also bass line progression. So that is my skill. I'll begin with the chord progression. So as I play, I'm going to call out the chord progression, the chords. So you follow along. Now, so I'm starting with the chord progression with my right hand. I'll begin with the right hand, then I'll follow with both hands next. So that is my foot or my fa. This is my saw. This is my do chord. My fa chord or my foot chord. My saw chord or my fifth chord. My do chord or the first chord. That is my saw or fifth chord. My foot chord, fifth chord, sixth chord or my la chord. My foot chord, my fifth chord, and the first chord. So that is just the chord progression for it. So I'm taking with both hands now. This is how maybe just back up. So you play with both hands this way. Make sure the rhythm is this way. That is fa, so back to do. Fa, so, and back to do. So, fa, so, and my la. Fa, so, then ending on the do chord. So that's just the progression when playing with both hands. Make sure you give it a rhythm that will flow throughout the chord, throughout the groove or the song. So this is my bass line now, and that is my scale. So I'll play along. So you take note of the numbers on the bass line and just follow along. So that is, I'm beginning with on the first, when on my first chord now. This is how you begin on the first chord. On my first chord, that is on Do. When I've moved to Fa, So, back to Do. On Fa, So, Do. Still on my Do chord. There for me. So, on my So chord, on my Do chord, sorry, La, Fa, back to Do. So you just go along with the chord progression. Then for the lead line, I'm going to show you. I'll just show you two ways to play it. The first one, you don't flow throughout the groove. You just play at intervals. Maybe you play at intervals. Just listen to what I'm trying to say. You play at intervals, or maybe after two lines of the lyrics of the song. That is what you play. And for this particular method, you can also use maybe a sax voice. So what I'm doing, I'm not flowing throughout the song. I'm just playing at intervals, at the breaks during the groove. So you just listen to this. I'll break it down. So for this if you are playing this way, you can use a sax, maybe trumpet, sax voice to do the same thing, because you are not playing throughout. You are just playing at intervals. Maybe at the end of, maybe we can decide to make it like at the end of two lines between the lyrics. So this is the breakdown of it. You can just watch and follow along. So the second method I'm going to, you just play the lead line throughout the song. As the song goes, you just play it continuously. Just listen and flow along, please. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. So thanks for watching.